So basically, the nice thing about this study is you've got 11,000 children. That allows a really amazing amount of statistical analysis. So you can take out anything that might be corrupting your numbers and confusing the results that you're getting. So the take-home message from that is that, first of all, kids are certainly not supposed to mouth breathe or snore or stop breathing. And those children that do, they end up with consequences that persist even when the snoring goes away.